Okay, I've synced up my audio. Hello, and welcome to a video on my channel. Anyway, so what I'm doing here today is I'm gaming with ramen. Actually, my buddy uploaded a video within the past 24 hours of him making mukbang content. I'm like, hey, look at this thing. I can do it too, so I'm going to. I need to pull up his video. I don't know why I didn't have that open to begin with. Well, I don't have the microwave open, so that's awesome. I don't have a stool.
How's it going, elite gamers and mukbangers?
How's it going, elite gamers and mukbangers?
So please come with me on this journey that we're going to embark on together. Because I want us to experience this together. I am eating something. I mean ramen. But get this, it's going to be ice cold ramen.
Okay, ice cold ramen. So, first step is to bang out the ramen. So I got the ramen. Alright, I'm getting the gist of this already. It's a matter of, well, making the ramen and then making it cold. But let's just see what he does.
Some really nice warm ramen.
He microwaved a plastic bowl?
Flavor in it yet. But that's going to come soon. Alright, that is the literal best that I could do without burning my fingertips off, which there is no water left. Now we're filling it up with the cold. So let's do that now. We're actually going to set this here so I can show you this is ice cold water. So that there's no haters out there saying, ooh, it's fake. Don't stop it. We're going all out here on Big Day Mayo.
That's not how you make ramen, man. Okay, so I see what he did. He made ramen and then put cold water in it and then put the flavoring in. I'm making ramen real quick. Okay. I'll see you once we get to the ramen. I think I already mentioned this. I've got the chicken flavor right here. Pretty good. I'm going to make mine properly in a pot. You know, I do my shit normally. So here's the noodles. There's nothing in them yet. But, oh crap. I forgot the sauce packet. Oh no, it's not even sauce. Alright, sorry, bad ang. Bad ang. Okay, I've gotten chicken shit all over my webcam now. That's all good. Dude, this video's gonna blow up and we get like 600 million more webcams. Alright, so the reason I'm doing this, so the liquid, make sure it's ice cold. Oh shit. Well, we'll get there. Alright, see you in a minute. So right now, guys, we're mixing the ice cube into the ramen. Not a whole lot to it. Quite not an enjoyable looking lunch, really. Yeah. Let's get you an up close and personal look at my lunch. Ah, yeah. It's shit bussin', man. See? It's bussin'. It's jiggly. I don't even know where I'm at on this right now, but it's okay. So, what are we left with? As this steeps, like a good tea should. Let's go for like a little bite. Oh. No. That ain't it, man. That ain't it. I got exclusively powder. Alright, what else is this madman got?
Let's just get into it. I'll tell you about that along the way. Alright, let's get a good hunk of noodles in here.
Let's get a good helping.
Ice cold. Alright. We go for nothing but the best quality content here on this YouTube channel.
That's right, nothing but the best.
I don't know. Honestly, just to force a habit, I don't know why I just blew on that when it's ice cold. Oh, God. Oh, God.
This shit bussin', bro.
So, this video came to be because I remembered a story of when I was in a thing called 24-hour theater back at my college.
Alright, hold on. I can't be having him tell all these stories. Let me tell a story from one of my school days. Oh, hold on. It's not as bad going down, but if a cold noodle goes up your throat, it's not fun. Anyway, so in 4th grade, I was in gym class, as most 4th graders are, and it just so happened to be the 4th day of school. And I was pumped, I was pogging, I was just running. It was my last class of the day. No, it wasn't. Yes, it was. Ugh. Cold noodle, man. Anyway, so what do you want? Hi, dude. Hey, come here a minute. Yo, dude. Anyway, so 4th day of 4th grade, this girl, we'll call her Bugs Bunny, because she had this big ass buck tooth, and basically we were doing a thing where you run around in circles, like across. You were just doing laps in the indoor gym. Anyway, so whenever like the song would change, I don't know. The gym teacher had this weird mixtape, so like it'd be like mashups that were really not good. Oh, dude, the noodle, it's stuck there. Anyway, so when we would, switch, you go, woo, oh, switch, woo. So this girl, because she was just having the time of her life. I'm not even like talking trash on her. She was just having fun. She goes, ah, and I'm like, okay, cool. But she's behind me, and the song flips, so I turn around, but she's going, ah. So she didn't hear it. The way we collided, it's not like we butt heads. We kind of butt heads, but like, because she was going, ah, her buck tooth lodged into my head, and I had to get 8 stitches in my head. And she didn't lose any teeth or anything, and that's good for her. But I had to go to the hospital like immediately. I thought I was fine, and then the gym teacher's like, "Buddy, you're not fine." I'm like, "Oh, my face itches." Blood's just. So I'm back in school like a week later, probably only like a couple days. Definitely one for a rest day after all the stitches. I come back like a week later, and she's like, "I feel so bad." And I'm like, "Dude, I don't care. Good job. You killed somebody just about." And she's like, "Well, here, because I feel bad." So she gives me this thing. I was like, "Okay, what is this?" It feels like a CD. I unwrap it. It's a fucking dinosaur, like game with 2 mini games on it that you pop in the PC that like McDonald's gave away. God, when was I in 4th grade? I don't know. It was a McDonald's toy. I'm like, oh, cool. I tried to play it once, but the disc was so far scratched that it just couldn't be read. So that's my story. I was rushed to the hospital and then given a garbage gift as a I'm sorry present. Let's continue on with this man's story, Big Daddy Mayo. Let me like that video real quick, bro.
Oh my gosh. How does someone endure this? I don't know how I'm getting through this, honestly. Alright. There's some floaty noodles in there, but I gotta pour this in a glass and get this done with. Let's get it. Alright. Take a gander at that.
Oh.
Yeah, this is my warning, my PSA to everyone out there. Don't ever try this at home. Just don't.
All right, so he's just sitting there vomiting. I think that this is about a pretty good wrap up. Honestly, like, thank you all for showing up. I'll gladly never do this again. Feel free to like. What are you doing up there, man? Anyway, bye bye.